Alright, YouTube. Need help. Whatever that sound is. You can kind of hear. I also have a misfire. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it back there. It's coming up for number 5. We replaced the ignition coil for number 5. We changed spark plug and wires. Swapped out the fuel injector. The guy ordered a piece for the hose. It's not supposed to be like this. They're thinking this might be it. Like I said, we changed the spark plugs and wires for number 5. I need help. I don't know what it is. So if you got this car or think you might know, feel free to help out, because we did almost basically everything. They did a compression test, so she was checking a little bit. But when you go to the back, you can definitely hear the misfire. There's another thing. I'm not sure what that sound is either, but it's like I said. If you know, please help out. So I just got this.